Hello class 10 children. So I have a very important question today here from the chapter AP. So let's try to solve that question. Here I have a question. The fourth term of an AP is 11. So in an AP there are so many terms. So in that the fourth term, first, second, third, fourth, the fourth term is 11. This is first condition of the question. The second condition, the sum of the fifth and seventh term of the AP is 34. Meaning of this is when the fifth term of the AP and the seventh term of the AP is added, when they both are added, the result is 34. Find the common difference. You have to find only the value of D. Value of A not given, value of D also not given, but you have to find only the value of D. So here my solution starts. So my first condition is the fourth term of an AP is 11. So what you do, fourth term means you write T4. Tn means nth term, but when it is written T4, it is fourth term. The fourth term, the term formula is A plus n minus 1 D. So in this formula what you do, that the fourth term value is 11. The fourth term is 11. That means put it 11 here. A is not given, write A only. And fourth term means the number of term is 4. So you write in place of n as 4. 4 minus 1. And D is not given, write D only, because D value you have to find. Now finally what will happen, 11 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into D is 3D. So you interchange it, A plus 3D equal to 11, equation 1. Interchange. Bring right hand side number to left hand side and left hand side to right hand side. Interchange. Now we'll go for equation 2. We'll go for equation 2. The sum of the fifth and the seventh term of the AP is 34. What we'll do, first we will find fifth term, then we will find seventh term, and then we will do the sum and we will get 34. So let us try to find fifth term. For fifth term, write T5. T5 equal to A plus n minus 1 D. But T5 fifth term value is not given. Like here fourth term was 11. Here fifth term is not given. So what you do, write equal to here, because the value is not given. And write A plus n. Fifth term means n value will be 5. 5 minus 1 D. So A plus, this will be 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into D is 4D. Keep it like this. Now come to the seventh term. Go for seventh term. T7. A plus n minus 1 D. Same formula. Seventh term is not given. So write T7 only, and next A plus, the n value will be 7. Seventh term means n value is 7. 7 minus 1 into D. Then we will have A plus 6D. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6D. So now what you do, the sum of fifth term. The fifth term is this. The sum of seventh term. So fifth term and seventh term, when you add both of them, the result is 34. So I can say now that the fifth term A plus 4D. A plus 4D. This is fifth term, plus sum means plus, and the seventh term is A plus 60. So the result of the sum of fifth term and seventh term is equal to 34. It is equal to 34. So this is the condition number 2. Sum of fifth term and seventh term. Fifth term and seventh term is 34. From here you try to get another equation. A plus A is 2A. 4D plus 6D is 10D, equal to 34. Now you better take 2 common. When you take 2 common, there is some benefit, because this 2 will go and divide with 34 and 34 will become 17 later. A plus 5D, because taking 2 common means 10 will become 5D, equal to 34. So finally I can say A plus 5D equal to, this 2 will come and divide with 34. So directly I can say it will be 17, because 34 by 2 is 17. Equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, with the help of elimination method, we will try to find the common difference. Find the common difference. So we will find D. So write equation 1 again, once again. A plus 3d equal to 11 equation 1, and a plus 5d equal to 17 equation 2. 1 and 2 equation you write here. After writing, you can see a can be cancelled, both are equal, but only the problem is both are plus. So to get minus, we will do subtracting. I wrote in shortcut. When you write subtracting, that means the plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Then this plus a minus a got cancelled. 3d minus 5d. 3d minus 5d is minus 2d. Very easy, because minus is larger and plus is smaller. So we will subtract, but larger number is minus, so result will be minus. Same thing here. 11 minus 17. Minus 17 is larger. So when you subtract, result is 6. So minus minus, right and left we can cancel. D equal to 6 by 2. Therefore my D value will be 3, because 2 3s are 6. So my D value is 3, and the question is find the common difference. My common difference is 3. This is my answer, children. So very easy and important question. So class 10 children, let us discuss one more very important question from the chapter AP, arithmetic progression. So here I have a question. Find the AP. So the question is very new this time. You have to find the AP. AP means you have to find the series, first term, then what is the common difference, then that way second term, third term. So we do not know the AP here. You have to find the AP. If the sixth term of the AP is 19, yeah, one condition is here, that the first condition, the sixth term of the AP is 19, and the second condition is the 16th term is 15 more than the 11th term. So when 16th term is compared with the 11th term, 16th term looks 15 more compared to 11. This is second condition. So let us begin the work from the first condition. So my first condition is if the sixth term of the AP is 19. So solution here, my solution starts. So according to question, the first condition, the sixth term of the AP is 19. That means sixth term means write T6. This is called sixth term. Its formula is A plus n minus 1d. As sixth term is 19, the sixth term is 19. So here I can write in sixth term, I can write as 19. As first term is not given, you have to write A only, plus n minus 1d. N here, n, my n will be 6 because sixth term is 19. So here I will write 6 minus 1d. Next, 19 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into d, 5d. So I will interchange it. I will bring right hand side to left and left hand side to right. So finally my equation 1 will come. A plus 5d equal to 19, equation 1. My first condition is over. My second condition now. And the 16th term is 15 more than the 11th term. So 16th term has been compared with 11th term. So let us first find 16th term. T16, my 16th term formula will be A plus n minus 1d. And as 16th term is unknown to us, so write equal to only, no arrow, because I don't know 16th term, not given here. So A is A plus, but my n is 16 term, that means n will be 16 minus 1 will be here and d. So finally I will get A plus 15d. Now it is compared with 11th term. Go for 11th term also. T11 same formula you use, A plus n minus 1d. So as it is 11th term and it is unknown to us, so we can't write any value here, but you write equal to, and then A plus n will be again 11 here. Why? Because the 11th term means n is 11. So finally A plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10d. Now 16th term and 11th term is compared, and it is said that 16th term is 15 more than the 11th term. So you write 16th term first. Who is 16th term here? 16th term is A plus 15d. A plus 15d. This is more compared to whom? 11th term. And who is 11th term? A plus 10d. You write A plus 10d in bracket because there is minus here. So when there is minus at the front, you write in the bracket. So, and when it was compared, the 16th term was 15 more 15 more compared to 11th term. That means the difference between these two is 15. Very easy to understand. So now you open the bracket and carry on the work. So when you open, it is minus a, and minus into plus is minus 10d and is equal to 15. Now you subtract. What will happen here? A got cancelled. Why? Because both were same but plus and minus. Next, 15d minus 10d is 5d and is equal to 15. Next, d is equal to 15 by 5. This 5 will come and divide. Therefore, your d will be 5 3s are 15. So your d has come. Now, d means common difference. Now your duty is to find a. So by using the value of d as 3, to find a, we will use equation 1. So what you will write? Putting the value of this d in equation 1. So we will use the value of d in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 5d equal to 19. So write equation 1 and put the value. Now a plus 5 and d value is 3. You can see here. So d value is 3. Next, equal to 19. A plus 5 3s are 15 equal to 19. Next, a equal to 19 minus 15, and finally a value will be equal to 4. Now you see children, we have value of d as well as value of a. When we have the value of a and d, we can find AP. AP means the series, arithmetic progression. So therefore my AP will be, AP always starts with first term. Which first term then? First term is a is how much? 4. And second term means the difference between first and second here is 3. That means what you do? You add 3 on 4. That means 4 plus 3 is 7. The common difference is same in every interval. So again add 3. Then third term will be 10. Again add 3, 13. So it goes on. There is no end of it. This is the AP. So this is our answer. So to find AP, we need A and D, and when we know A and D, we can find AP. First you write first term, and then common difference, what you do? You keep on adding. The AP series will come, because second minus first is common difference. So 7 minus 4 is 3 only. So I am getting common difference. That means when I have common difference, we will add, and when I don't have common difference, I will subtract second from first. This is the way we do. I hope children you understood. Thank you children.